And then we're gonna go check what's wrong with the bearings on the front. I'll show you right now. There's a little bit of play. Not everything moves, just the wheel. Let's go check it out. I'm here with my brother. Changed the chain and sprockets on the 450 and the front bearings. They're a little bit loose. Looking for the link, chain link. Yeah, that chain is all beat up, man. It's gonna be hard to find. That's my buddy on 1wheel7. He told me that after the first ride to tighten all these screws. I did. They were all loose, by the way. Thanks, John. They were all loose, so we tightened them all again, put air. Still hold air pretty good in all of the wheels. We did all 4 wheels. But last time we rode, I lost a screw here. I gotta get a screw here, and I lost another one here, man. These GBC tires are pretty awesome. Oh yeah, and by the way, he just put the new bags on these 1200. Damn, dude, this thing is fire. Damn, you could go to Alaska with this thing, man. Look at this. This is a Triumph. Mine is a Speed Triple. This one is for, as you can see, this one is a 1200 Tiger. It's more for touring. And he also has a couple of nakeds here. This is a project, as you can see. It's a Honda. What's this? A 750 3-cylinder?
Yeah, air cooled.
Air cooled.
Dry shaft.
Air cooled, dry shaft. 750 Honda 3-cylinder. This thing is a beast. These kids painted the gas tank. It's like a cafe racer style.
Somebody wants to buy it, it's for sale.
Like he said, he's saying in Portuguese, he doesn't have time to fix it. If you guys one of you guys wanna grab this project to build, hit me up and I'll talk to him. Here he has these TRX 450 kickstart. As you can see, last time he went riding, he lost the kickstart. Now he got it. Pretty beefy up. This is with the sun. We're gonna go ride. We were gonna go riding, but it rained a lot. And this is the Moto Guzzi naked. This is the Moto Guzzi 1100. It's almost like my Speed Triple tire machine. But this thing, as you can see right here, can ride for days. Look, he even has this one. Somebody gave him this. He's selling it. Anybody wants this, let me know. He's selling it for cheap. Hit me up. That's right, Rue, I got you. Back to the project in hand. Right now we're just taking a chain out. I got the 1438. Yeah, 14 front, 38 rear. Stock gearing. Steel, guys. Get steel, don't get aluminum. Steel could take a beating. And like I said before, man, you know, that piece over there didn't came on time, so it's expensive. It's like around 75 bucks, but it will protect it better than this Alba case saver here. But if it's protected in both sides, I'm serious. I don't do any racing. We just play it a little rough, nothing crazy. Okay, pull it out. Yeah.
Agora vai ficar outro barulho.
Então pronto, isto é a conta, nós para pôr aqui, né? Okay. Let's beat up. Damn, guys. It's enough time. Let's put it back. Devagarinho, que vai. Vai.
Não, larga. Tem que ser um bocadinho de cada vez, senão não fica todo. Esta agora aqui.
Vai. Vai. That's good, bro. Good? Alright.
Good job, better.
We tighten everything together. Chain is pretty good. We tighten everything up. And then we're gonna go check what's wrong with the bearings on the front. I'll show you right now. There's a little bit of play. Not everything moves, just the wheel.
Brother.
Take the wheel out. First to change the bearings, we have to take this whole thing out. Take off the brake.
É só esta que está ou é outra?
Acho que é só essa. We're about to install the rim.
A boca apanha muita boca sim.
Já está isto arriscado aí.
Está as outras.
Guys, as you can see, I'm greasing all the A arms. As you can see right here, there was a lot of water inside. I guess we're all good. Everything is good. So yeah, guys, everything is done. She's ready. We did everything that we wanted to do. We greased it all up, and ready to ride another day. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.